Ladies and gents, just got a target here. Don't know what it is yet. Just gonna have a look. Silver. Definitely silver. Well, silver plated anyway. What do you think the style is on that, dating wise? Looks like a fragment of buckle or something. Pretty nice. Let me know what you think. Just found a nice little medieval buckle. And I've actually found another piece to that silver thing I found a minute ago. So I'm gonna see if I can find any more and I'll show you all the pieces. Right, so I just found another piece to this. Don't know if that's how it's attached, but it looks like this is where it's broken from. So just turn that around. Do you reckon it is broken at the bottom as well? Looks a bit broachy, don't it?